Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you were new here, my name is Ohemaa. I generally don't show up on my channel with a robe on, but today we're doing something a little special. So welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! In today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of skincare. You guys know that I generally like to do my skincare videos in my bathroom because the sink is right there, the water is right there. It's a better vibe for me for the bathroom, okay? But today's video, the reason why I'm doing it in my studio is because the products that I'm using can actually be used after my skin is cleansed. So I really didn't need a sink for this. So I'm gonna be taking a look at some products that were curated by Chizi Duru and Nyma Tang in collaboration with Tula, and Tula is a skincare brand. I have heard tons and tons of good things about Tula, so I'm very excited to try it by way of this curated collection. So if you want to see what products they curated, and if you want to see how to apply it and how it's going to make your skin look all nice and glowy, then keep on watching. So the two collections actually came in two holographic bags. So one is for Chizi, one is for Nyma. First, we have the Chizi Duru collection, and Chizi Duru's collection is the Bright Inside and Out kit. Illuminates and protects with Chizi's hand-picked products. Triple vitamin C helps target the look of dark spots and uneven skin tone, while SPF 30 protects from damaging effects of pollution and blue light. A little message from Chizi. It says that my brightening skincare kit is the ultimate starter pack for healthy, protected, and glowy skin. She has the brightening treatment drops, which is a triple vitamin C serum, and usually I like to put my vitamin C serum after I've cleansed my skin and added my BHA toner to my skin, and then I would go in with some vitamin C to help even out my skin tone and help get rid of my dark spots or acne spots, to clear that from my face. So I'm very excited to try this one out. It says on the back of the bottle that you should put 4 to 5 drops and massage into clean skin, and you can use this both morning and night. So the next Chizi product is the SPF 30. This is not a moisturizer. Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel, broad spectrum SPF 30. It has both UVA and UVB protection, and this particular product has probiotics in there. It has pineapple and papaya. It has a wild butterfly ginger root. It looks like grits. That's the best way I can describe it. It looks like it has like little pieces of something in there, but as soon as you massage it in your hand or you rub it in your hands, that actually dissolves into your hand and it applies to your skin very beautifully, very even. We're gonna look at Nyma's kit. Nyma's kit is the You Do You kit. It says meet Nyma's essentials for healthy, hydrated skin, formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and probiotic extracts. These products deliver deep, long-lasting hydration and nourishment. A little note from Nyma says these products make your skin feel hydrated and look refreshed while still being super lightweight. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the application process. It's going to be quick. This is not a review on the product. This is me just showing you. So let's go ahead and apply these nice, luscious skincare products that I've heard a ton of things about. So I was a little bit apprehensive about that SPF, that glow SPF, because I feel like it's meant to give your skin some kind of a glow and also have SPF to help you protect against, you know, sun damage and blue light. But so this is just me showing you guys the products that Chizi and Nyma has collaborated on with Tula. That way you can go check it out and support, okay? Because support. This has actually also given me an introduction into Tula products. So I'm actually going to be using these products for the next few weeks and for the next week, and that would give me a general idea of what I think or how I feel about the product. And then I'm going to do some more research on the ingredients and stuff, and then we're going to take it to the bathroom and we're going to talk about the products and the benefits and everything that's in here. Okay, this gel thing, it goes on like water and it's a very cooling, very lightweight. I'm very interested in seeing how it's gonna make my face feel, because I didn't put a whole lot of my stuff on my face today, so I'm really interested in how my face is going to look or feel in a little bit. I hope it doesn't feel dry, because I generally like really nice thick moisturizing lotions. I really want to see how this particular gel behaves, but all these products felt so good on, and they actually absorbed very nicely and very easily into my skin. And you can see that my skin does not look super glowy, because even though majority of three of these products are glow based products, it didn't make my face oily. It didn't make my face like super glowy. It didn't make my face feels, it looks hydrated, but it feels dry, if that makes any sense. It feels it's absorbed into my skin. Okay, so that is it for me showing you guys these few products curated by both Chizi Duru and Nyma Tang. Congratulations to both of them on the curation. I will put links to these products down below. So Tula collaborated with a few other influencers as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick video. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.